Welcome! This tutorial will explain the case selection feature on the IPUMS PMA data extract system. The original data includes records of non-respondents for each unit of analysis. These records are almost entirely empty, so IPUMS PMA by default only selects cases that have complete information. In the family planning person unit of analysis, the original files include placeholders for the households who did not complete the household survey and also for women aged 15 to 49 who did not complete the female questionnaire. By default, IPUMS PMA chooses to include only female respondents in the data extract. Users can also select female respondents and household members. This will include female respondents and all records from completed household rosters. Note that this will include people in households without a woman of childbearing age living there. Note that there are now many not in universe cases that have appeared. These are the household members who are not asked this question on the female questionnaire. Users can also select female respondents and non-respondents. The female non-respondent cases are recoded to 95. These cases can be used to calculate response rates and for testing whether respondents are significantly different than non-respondents. Lastly, you can select all cases that came in the original data. This will include female respondents and non-respondents, household members, and records of household non-responses. Note that changing the case selection on a variable codes tab will not have any effect on your data extract. Case selection for your data extract happens on the sample selection page. Users can change the cases included in the data extract by going to the sample selection screen. For the survey delivery point unit of analysis, for both family planning and nutrition surveys, both facility respondents and non-respondents were included in the original data. The default selection is facility respondents only, but users can select all cases on the sample selection page. There is no case selection feature for the infant unit of analysis. All cases contain data. The case selection for the nutrition person level differs from the family planning person level surveys. While women aged 10 to 49 in the household answered questions about her own nutrition and the nutrition of children under 5 in the household, these responses are found on the child's record for whom she is answering. The default selection is for women and children to have their information on their record about nutrition. The eligibility requirements for the nutrition questions differ between round 1 and round 2 of these surveys. See our sample note on nutrition surveys for more information. You can also select cases included in the default, plus people in eligible households who do not have nutrition information on their record, such as men or children older than 5. Lastly, you can opt for all cases from the original data to be included in your extract. This will include non-respondents and people in households that were not eligible for the nutrition survey. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for your interest in IPUMS PMA. Use it for good.